It was quite smooth. I always had someone to go to every time I had a doubt, no matter how silly it was. My name is Riddhi Quatra. I'm from Mumbai and I study in Podar International School in the IBDP program. I don't have a percentage because I did the IGCSE board where it's more based on your grade. So I had taken 9 subjects, out of which I got an A star in 7 of them, which is 90% plus. I got an A in one of them and a B in the other. I have applied to 9 colleges, 4 of them in India and 5 in UK. In India, I've applied to Ashoka, Kriya, Flame, and NMIMS. I've gotten into Ashoka, Kriya, and Flame. I'm still waiting on NMIMS results, which will come a little later. In the UK, I've applied to King's College, LSE, University College London, University of Manchester, and University of Warwick. I've gotten into Warwick, King's, and Manchester as of now. I'm still waiting on LSE and UCL. I think they fit very well into what I've wanted to do. I've always been someone who's had very varied interests, so a liberal arts college sort of helps me develop a lot of them. And also, it also gives me the opportunity to delve deep into one thing that I would finally choose to study. But I get the opportunity to explore and take on extracurriculars. So it just fits into what I've always wanted to do. That's why I've chosen those particular universities. I joined IMS around 5 months ago, if I'm not wrong. So that should be around November, December. Miss Sanika helped me for most of it. It was quite smooth. I always had someone to go to every time I had a doubt, no matter how silly it was. I always had, I also Miss Chris was also quite there. Yeah, it was smooth. It was easy to understand. It was broken down very well. There were very insightful tips that were given that really helped make my application stand out. I would say just be yourself and just apply where you want to go. I would say don't waste time on applying everywhere, just for safety, because it can get stressful with also 11th and 12th grade being hectic. So just apply where you want to go. And of course, a few safeties. Be yourself in your applications. Get them reviewed, get them checked. But yeah, just be true even in the interviews. Just be very honest.